Good morning, students. I hope that you all are good and studying well at home. Today I am going to explain English Reader Book, chapter number 1, that is Pam's Surprise. Meaning of surprise is feeling or showing surprised. In Hindi, it is Aashcharyachakit. Now I am going to read the chapter. Pam loved to play tricks on her friends. For her friend Zill's birthday, Pam found a special way to give Zill presents. A week before the birthday, she went to Zill's house. Students, Pam is a girl who likes to play tricks with her friends, who likes to do pranks on her friends. One day she went to her friend Zill's house, and then because she wanted to give her gift on her birthday in a special way, in a different way. Zill, may I please borrow your dollhouse? Asked Pam. Of course, said Zill. After a few days, Pam returned the dollhouse. However, along with the dollhouse, she also gave Zill along another tiny dollhouse. Your dollhouse had a baby, said Pam. Students, Zill went to went to Zill's house, and then she borrowed a dollhouse. After that, Zill gave that dollhouse to her. After a few days, she returned back to Zill's house, and then she gave her a small dollhouse along with the old one. And then she told to Zill that your dollhouse had a baby. Zill wondered how a plastic dollhouse could have a baby. However, she kept the tiny dollhouse. Zill was thinking that how can it be possible? A plastic dollhouse, how can a plastic dollhouse can have a baby? She was surprised. A few days later, Pam went to Zill again. May I please borrow your wooden bowl? She asked. Yes, you may, said Zill. Pam thanked Zill and took the bowl home. Later, she came back with a much bigger wooden bowl. After giving small tiny house, Pam again went to Zill's house, and then she told her that then she borrowed a wooden bowl from her house. Zill again agreed, and she gave that bowl to her. After few days, she again returned to Zill's house, and then she gave her a wooden bowl, but that was bigger than Zill's bowl. Then Zill was again surprised. Zill was again wondered. She was wondering that how can it be possible? I had given her a small bowl. My bowl was smaller, and she is giving me a larger one. So how can it be possible? She was wondered. Then again, Zill told to Pam that how can it be possible? I had given you my smaller bowl, and you are giving me the larger one. How can it be possible? You see, I put some biscuits in the bowl, said Pam. It must have eaten the biscuits and grown bigger. Now see, students, what happens. When Zill told that how can it be possible, my bowl was smaller and you are giving me the larger one, how can it be possible? Then Pam told to Zill that I had kept some biscuits in your bowl, and that bowl has eaten biscuits and it grew up. That's why your bowl has become larger. The day of Zill's birthday arrived. Pam wished her at the party. I love your ring, said Pam. May I borrow it to show it to my mother? When the birthday came, Pam went to Zill's house. She wished her, as we all, whenever we go to the birthday party, we wish the birthday boy or a birthday girl. In the same way, Pam also wished Zill, and she told that your ring is very beautiful. Can I borrow that ring? And Pam agreed, and then Pam told her that take my ring. Flip out the page, students. Of course, said Zill. Please take good care of it. It is very old. My grandmother gave it to me. Pam Zil agreed to give her ring, but Zil told that please take good care of my ring, Pam, because it is very old and my grandmother has given me. As we all, whenever our grandparents give us, we just keep that things very carefully because it is the love of our grandparents. In the same way, Zil also told that to Pam that please take good care of that ring because it is old and it is given by my grandmother. After the party, Pam went to Zil's house with a sad face. I am sorry, Zil said. She said, your ring is dead. After the party, Pam went to Zil's house and then said that I am sorry that your ring is dead. Now Pam was completely surprised. Pam was thinking that how can it be possible? Dead? Pam said, dead? Asked Zil. How can that be? How can something made of metal die? Zil was surprised. Students here, wonder means surprise or ashcharya. She was thinking that how can it be possible? The ring was made up of metal. Then how can it be possible? She said that how can it be possible? How can a metal die? Pam smiled. If a plastic dollhouse can have a baby, a wooden bowl can grow by eating, then a metal can die of old age, she said, laughing at her friend. Then Pam smiled because Pam loves to do pranks on her friends. Pam loves to play tricks with her friend. Students, tricks means when we do something for annoying somebody, for joking somebody, that is trick. And then she told that then Pam told that she was smiling at everybody, at friends, and then she told that if a doll house can have a baby, if a wooden bowl can grow by eating biscuits, then a metal ring can die of old age. Then she laughed at her friend, and then Pam started laughing because she was joking. She loves to joke, to play tricks with her friends, so she started smiling. And then she told that if a doll house can have a baby, if a doll house can have a baby, then metal can die. A metal ring can die of old age. Oh Pam, you and your jokes, said Zil. I will return your tiny house and wooden bowl right away. Then Zil understood that Pam loves to play tricks or do pranks with her friends. So she understood that she is joking with us. She is joking with me. And then she told that you and your jokes, because she always likes to crack jokes and in such a way. Then Zil again gave her, and then Zil told that I will return your gifts. But then Pam said that no, those are your birthday gifts, said Pam. I wanted to give them to you in a special way. Here is your ring. Happy birthday, Zil. Then Pam told that no, Zil, because Pam was not thinking that I will take the gifts back. No, she was not thinking that. She just wants to give her gift in a special way, in a different way, so that she gave in that way. So she told that no, Pam, I will not take your gifts. Keep it with yourself. Keep that gifts with yourself, because I wanted to give you gift in a present in a different way, so that I gave you. Happy birthday, Zil. And then she wished happy birthday to her. Zil hugged her friend and thanked her for her gifts. Then Zil embraced her friend Pam, and then she took that friend. She took that gift, and she was happy on that time. And she thanked her friend. Whenever we get anything from our friend or anybody, we say thank you. In the same way, Zil said thanks for the gift from Pam. I hope, students, that you understood this story. It's a very small and interesting story. Study well, students, at home. Stay healthy, stay safe, but most importantly, keep honest towards your studies. All the best.